Hey guys, it's Tony. How you doing? So a lot of people were asking me why BigCommerce rallied the way it did. I think I actually searched it up. There was actually a article written by I think Seeking Alpha comparing Wix, BigCommerce, Shopify, and Square, and I'm pretty sure that's the only reason why this rallied. I saw the article I think earlier today, a couple of hours ago, and that's why you guys see this huge rally of 13% today on BIGC. I mean, we hit peaks of 15%, almost 16% from the lows, right? And that's basically why this thing rallied, because I think Seeking Alpha actually put BigCommerce as a number 2 along with Shopify. I think they picked Square first, and then they picked Shopify and BigCommerce as a number 2 e-commerce platform online, and then it went to like Wix and some other e-commerce platforms and stuff. But that's why it's rallying. So a lot of you guys asked me why this is rallying. I looked it up. I found the article. I'll see if I can post it on the comments so you guys can have the source on it. But yeah, Seeking Alpha up 15%. I really doubt that it was because of anything else. That's the only news that I actually saw. But yeah, pretty good rally upwards. I hope it doesn't break $75 because I actually sold some calls a while back. I picked up, what did I pick up? I picked up $12.80 for these calls. So I actually made $1,200 on those $75 calls that I sold, and they expire February 19th. But I'm hoping that BigCommerce actually drops again, and then Theta basically kills the options, right? So the time decay, I'm basically betting on time decay killing these. But if I do get a sign on this, I don't care. I mean, I want to get out of BigCommerce so I can put my money elsewhere. But for right now, just kind of still holding. But yeah, for those asking, this rally was because of the Seeking Alpha article written today comparing BigCommerce, Shopify, Wix, and the Square platform.